Hi, Shay.
We're taking Shay to go see our new house that we just purchased.
So this house is 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 690 square feet.
Okay.
So it's a little smaller, but we got it for $4,000.
Oh, not bad.
This house is a little small and the backyard is a total jungle, but the market in Detroit has picked up a lot and it's getting pretty hard to find $1,000 houses, so $4,000 is actually a pretty good deal.
Oh my Lord, oh my God. I swear, one day, this is not gonna happen.
You know, if you look past everything.
You can't look past everything, it's too much stuff.
Yeah, I can look past it.
So this is the kitchen, obviously.
It'll be very similar to the house next door. In a room this small, you really have to be efficient. So I'm thinking cabinets on 2 walls and corner uppers to add more storage without overcrowding the space. Even though it's modest, I want to give it a real wow moment. So I'm imagining taking the tile backsplash all the way to the ceiling. So the trash heap in here is definitely not very calm right now, but the wallpaper in here is inspiring me to make this the Zen house. Soothing warm tones, sleek, simple tile, and natural wood accents on the walls throughout. It should feel very understated, elegant, and serene. It would be really fun to have some like little bonsai trees and
Okay.
yeah, it could be
calming
fun.
and nice.
And then obviously we have a lot of water damage to fix. So this whole ceiling's coming out. Obviously I'm gonna keep the couches, so.
Obviously.
Obviously they're leather and vintage, so.
Oh, chandelier. Okay.
I know, right? This
Fancy.
is actually, oh, it's plastic. Anyway, overall, good-sized bedroom, exactly as the other house. We'll have to fix some of the ceiling.
Some major water damage.
You know.
Let's keep it moving. Let's not spend a whole lot of time here.
All right, let's
The
go.
tiger!
So we bought this house for $4,000, and if we can keep our reno budget to around $45,000 and sell it for around $85,000, then we should be able to pull out a pretty nice profit. The margins aren't great, but we've already done 3 houses on this block, and I am absolutely determined to finish what we started.
Come on.
You ready?
No.
Hey, a hammer. I didn't see these before. Those are pretty nice. Yeah.
Put your hood up. It's about to get nasty.
That's where that raccoon was living. Really?
Wow. Oh. Okay. Holy. Oh no.
That shouldn't happen.
Oh man. So when you're doing what you thought was going to be a small amount of drywall demo and the entire room ends up crumbling, that's not the best news ever.
All right, well, I mean, we knew it was rotted.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
We weren't really prepared to like frame it out today, so rather than totally knock it down and have like a gigantic hole in the house, we sort of stopped, and then once we get situated, then we'll take it all down and quickly rebuild it. Just look at this. Nothing but roly-polies and dust.
How bad is this?
The hole in the living room is not going to help our budget issues. When we tore out the rest of the plaster, we discovered that the damage was actually a lot worse than we expected. Jeez.
That is bad, bad. It's pretty much just mulch at this point. Oh. Evan!
What?
We have a much bigger problem. Oh my God. Carpenter ants. Anytime you see something start to move on an entire wall, you're like, oh, that's not good. Yeah, look, the ground is just moving. They are massive too, look at this.
A carpenter ant's infestation is definitely no joke. Sort of like termites, they can chew through wood and and hollow out entire boards. And if you don't take care of it, it can really become a big disaster. This is yet another hit to the schedule, which is also a hit to the budget.
We just can't let these things colonize the whole house.
So this house is no longer the Zen house, it's apparently just the carpenter ant house.
Give me that. Oh, yeah. That's great. Look at that. The Zen house has definitely been a struggle, but the carpenter ants have moved out, the rotted walls are gone, and the new drywall is up. Today, we set the cabinets in the kitchen. This is so nice to have this much storage. Yeah. Nor, you're glancing it. So with the new drywall and the new flooring, it definitely looks like a brand new house, but as soon as we try to set those cabinets, it's apparent again that this is an old house and it's settled. The back needs to go up.
Put a bunch in the back right corner.
So budgetary constraints have really started to set in. At this point, it really is pretty much down to me and Evan being able to pull this one off. We're doing the bathroom tile, we're doing the kitchen set, backsplash.
So you just have to make it work.
So the Zen house is finally done. I will say it definitely gave us about a fit. It was not super fun to get through this, but the end I am really happy with. I really like this house a lot.
This house was one of the worst we've ever done. There was piles of trash inside, the backyard was a jungle. It took 20 dumpsters to clean up the house and the yard. That plus the crumbling walls, the carpenter ants, we ended up way over budget. We bought the house for $4,000. We budgeted $45,000 for the renovation costs, but ended up spending $60,000. We're listing it for $85,000, which means we'll clear a little over $20,000, but the price is pretty ambitious in this neighborhood, so we'll have to see if we can actually get it. The process was not very zen to get to this point, but I think the final result is actually very zen, and I think we pulled off the look.
Come on in.
Wow. I love it. I love it.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Oh my God, this is beautiful. I can see myself in here already. Oh my gosh. Oh, and this?
Yes, Keith hand painted
Wow.
that.
I
art.
love his painting.
He just outdoes himself
Every
here.
time.
Every
Yeah.
time.
Oh, this is beautiful. Yes. When do I move in, guys? Yes, look at these cabinets.
All
Oh,
new
yeah.
cabinets.
Oh, Lord Jesus, but that's beautiful. Oh, yes. Oh, I love this. Oh, my goodness.
I
Yeah,
love
this
this
is
thing.
beautiful.
And you notice it matches the wood in the living room.
The
Does.
zen-ness.
I'm not a cook, but I learned to cook just to cook on this.
Oh, I already like the floor. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, I'm loving this though. Put a stick on the wall and it's gonna look amazing.
I think I'm gonna take my clothes off and take me a shower right now. I think I am.
So this is the main bedroom. It's the largest of the two.
Wow.
It's pretty big.
Oh wow, this is spacious.
This-
Oh wow.
Is
Yeah.
nice. Oh, and this is
Yes,
nice.
that is a Keith original.
Oh my God.
I'm saying wow in every room.